What if I'm going to say that only 3 candles you need to get to the profitable trades? This strategy, which I have been using for an extended period, has proven to be one of my most favored scalping strategies. Notably, within the past week alone, I generated approximately $9,000 in profits using this strategy. Today, I will provide you with the exact instructions on how to implement this strategy. If you are interested in trying this strategy without investing real money, Pocket Option offer a demo balance. You can explore various strategies by testing them out. For instance, I will demonstrate how to purchase an option for $4,000 just for fun. To access the broker of put options mentioned in the video description, please follow the link provided. This strategy requires a deep understanding of financial principles and a well-balanced approach. Additionally, effective money management is crucial for achieving your potential goals. Let's illustrate the importance of money management with an example. Suppose you have $1,000 available. To enter the market, you must understand that your total balance is $1,000. Additionally, you may need to recover from a previous trade. For instance, if your previous trade resulted in a loss, you would need to re-enter the market with an amount equal to your losses. Let's say you lost $10. In your next re-entry, you would need to invest $20, which would result in a total return of approximately $18. This demonstrates the importance of effective money management in achieving your trading objectives. The profitability of trading fair depends on its percentage. For instance, the average return is 92%, resulting in a profit of $18 or $19. This profit covers the initial loss of $10 and generates an additional $8 or $9. However, it's important to note that this strategy involves risk, necessitating careful money management. Instead of investing a significant amount, such as $100, it's advisable to start with $10, representing 1% of your total funds. If you lose, you can increase your investment to $20, and if you lose again, you can increase it to $40. In summary, this strategy involves basic math and risk management. By starting small and gradually increasing your investment, you can potentially achieve profitability while mitigating potential losses. There are also somewhat stringent rules regarding the types of situations in which you can engage. For instance, this one appears to be quite suitable and will actually work for us. Therefore, we are opting for the buy option here for a 15 seconds for $100. This will effectively close the third candle. We have only 2 seconds remaining and have generated a profit of $92. Therefore, you can comprehend the mathematics and how this actually operates. Let's find another situation where we can proceed. We are going for the buy option here. However, as you can observe, we only have 2 candles. This may actually work against us. Additionally, it is a higher entry-level position, but we still made a profit of $92. Furthermore, you can place a significant number of trades simultaneously due to our relatively small balance. At some point, it will cover itself and change direction. It is simply basic mathematics. Now, I will demonstrate a situation that you should generally avoid. This is actually a relatively good example as well. We are opting for the sell option here for $100 for 15 seconds. Unfortunately, we made a loss. Therefore, I will provide an illustrative example of how re-entry works. We made our last trade for $0 and lost $100. Consequently, we are going for a $200 up here. Now, we will observe that we made a profit of $184. This covers our losses of $100 from the previous trade and also generates $84 from this situation. Let me find a situation that you should avoid. This one is quite a good example of a situation that you should avoid. In contrast, you have a rather volatile trading strategy. As you can observe, we have a significant long-term decline in price. Therefore, it is prudent to avoid this situation until we can ascertain the future trajectory of the market. It could potentially experience a resurgence or revert to its previous low. This information should provide you with a basic understanding of the situation when practicing. I will demonstrate the exact situation you need to be aware of and how it works in practice. From now on, you should comprehend how this works for you. Proceed to the put option balance and register. Then access the demo balance to evaluate how the strategy performs. Every strategy must be tailored to your specific needs to continue in this field. Thank you for watching this video. Alternatively, you can find a description under it. Bye.